Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Emma. Have you ever wanted to share your opinion in English, but suddenly your mind goes blank? You know the words, but you don't know how to start. You feel nervous, worried you might say something wrong. But here's the truth. Expressing your opinion in English is actually easier than you think. And today, you're going to learn it step by step, using real-life conversations. In everyday life, we constantly share our opinions. Whether you're talking about movies, food, work, or even relationships, you need simple and natural English phrases. The good news? You don't need advanced grammar. You just need the right expressions and a little confidence. Today, I'll show you how beginners can express their opinions naturally, just like native speakers. And we'll do it through real-life conversations you can actually use. But here's the problem. Most learners only memorize vocabulary. They don't practice real speaking situations. So, when the moment comes, they freeze. They say things like, I think, maybe, I don't know. If that sounds like you, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be able to express your opinion clearly, confidently, and naturally. Let's start with the most basic and powerful phrase, I think. Simple, easy, and very useful. For example, I think this movie is really interesting. Now listen to this conversation. Did you watch the new movie? Yes, I did. I think it was really good. See? Very natural. Now let's level up. Instead of always saying, I think, you can say, in my opinion. For example, in my opinion, this restaurant is the best in the city. Conversation. Where should we eat tonight? In my opinion, we should try that new restaurant. Now you sound more confident already. Next phrase, I believe. This sounds a bit stronger than I think. For example, I believe learning English every day is important. Conversation. Do you think practice is necessary? Yes, I believe it's very important. Now let's talk about agreeing and disagreeing. If you agree, you can say, I agree. That's true. Exactly. Conversation. English is difficult sometimes. Yes, I agree, but practice makes it easier. Now, if you disagree, don't worry, you can do it politely. I don't think so. I see your point, but I'm not sure about that. Conversation. Online learning is not effective. I see your point, but I think it can be very helpful. This is very important because in real life, people don't argue aggressively. They speak politely. Now let's make it more natural. Sometimes native speakers soften their opinions. I guess, maybe, it seems like. For example, I guess this place is too expensive. Maybe we should try something else. Now let's listen to a real conversation. Do you like spicy food? I think I like it, but not too spicy. Really? I love spicy food. Yeah, I see your point, but it's too much for me sometimes. That's interesting. In my opinion, spicy food is the best. Haha, maybe for you, but I prefer something mild. Now another one. Do you think watching movies helps improve English? Yes, I believe it helps a lot. Really? I'm not sure about that. Well, I think it improves listening skills. That's true. Maybe I should try it more often. And one more. Social media is a waste of time. I don't think so. Why not? In my opinion, it can be useful if you use it wisely. I see your point. So now you can see, expressing your opinion is not about using big words. It's about using simple, natural phrases in the right way. If you practice these expressions every day, even just 5 minutes, you'll start speaking more confidently. Start with, I think, in my opinion, I believe. Then practice agreeing and disagreeing politely. And most importantly, don't be afraid to speak. Mistakes are part of learning. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more real English conversations. And tell me in the comments, what do you think is the best way to learn English? Let's practice together.